Welcome to the linear AxnetQuickInstall. AXNET is a browser-based method of programming that can be used with the AM3+, the AE1000+, and the AE2000+ panels. The advantage of browser-based programming is the panels can be programmed from any computer that has a dial-up connection and some sort of browser. There are some stipulations when using AXNET. For example, we cannot exceed 4 panels, be it the AM3+, the 1000+, or the 2000+. We cannot exceed 4 panels on any specific installation. Also, the max number of card holders is 2,000. If you wish to exceed 4 panels, the AM3+, 1000+, or 2000+, or 2,000 card holders, then you're going to be forced to use access base. You're not a candidate for AXNET. The AxnetQuickInstall consists of 4 easy steps. All we need to do is configure the installation, set up the controller, add our card holders, and add our credentials. On the back page of the AXNET installation manual, there is a configuration chart, the network configuration. We need to tell the master panel how many other panels are out there via configuration. I can have a single node, I can have 2 nodes networked via 485, 2 nodes on separate modems. I just need to tell the number 1 panel what is out there. To program the panels, we're going to select the dial-up connection. We're going to input the phone number to the panel and select dial. After the modem in the panel picks up, in this case I'm using Internet Explorer, I open up my Internet Explorer and go to http://192.6.94.2/main.html. That is the IP that's burnt into the panel. Once it comes up, it's going to ask me if I want to do a backup. For this training, I'm going to select Cancel. That'll bring us to the main screen. We need to configure the installation, so what I need to do is go into Global Settings. Within Global Settings, I will see Networking. If I select Networking, this is where I tell the panel what configuration we are using. There's only 11 different configurations. In this example, we have 1 network node, so that's configuration 1, and I will submit it. With browser-based programming, every time I make a change, I need to submit. Step 2 is setting up the controller. To set up the controller, I go into the controller screen, and since we only have 1 controller, I select my controller 1. I will then go into the Remote Devices tab. In this installation, we have 1 reader and it's wired to the Wiegand D input of the controller. Wiegand D is device 9 in the software. We're using 26-bit cards, so I'll input Wiegand 26 for that device. I want to select Relay A, which is door A under Control Channel, so I will select door A under Control Channel and then submit. I've completed step 2. Next, I need to add a card holder. To add a card holder, I go into the card holder screen. There's 2 different ways to do it. I can add card holders in one at a time, or I can do a batch entry. With batch entry, I add 10 card holders in at a time and then submit. For this installation, we're going to use the card holder set all access. So everybody in this card holder set will have access to everything on the property. I'll input the first name, the last name, and the home phone number. I've now added my first card holder, and I need to add credentials. Credentials are a directory code, entry code, card, or transmitter. AXNET will automatically assign the next available directory code. You can use that one or type in whichever directory code you wish. The directory code can be 1, 2, 3, or 4 digits in length. After I select the directory code, I give the cardholder an entry code. In this case, it's 5555. Next, I need to give him a card. The number on the card, the embedded card number, is what we're going to input into this field. The card I'm using happens to have the number 1 embedded on it, so that's the card number. I put number 1 on the card. In this case, we're not dealing with facility codes. It will be covered in another module. Transmitter is exactly like the card. Cards and transmitters, embedded code can be 1 to 65,535. Our card happens to be number 1, and I look at the transmitter. There's a sticker on the back or on the bottom that has the embedded code. In this case, it is 65,535, so that's what I input into this field. After I input the field, I submit the name and log out. After I log out and hang up. The little AXNet will ask me once more if I wish to do a backup. I can do it then or choose cancel. And that completes the AxnetQuickInstall. My name is Paul Jones. Have a great day.